How to log in Gmail on multiple devices. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn how we can log into Gmail on multiple devices. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to log in Gmail on multiple devices, it does not matter as to how many accounts you want to log in your Gmail account to. You can log into as many devices as you prefer as long as you have proper access to your account or credentials to your account. So you can open the Gmail app and try to tap the profile icon and tap on add another account. Select Google from the list of menu if it's a Google account and verify whether it is you or not. Then after you've done that, of course, you want to enter the email or phone number of the Gmail account you wish to log in, whether on this device or on other devices. And after you've done that, you can tap on next, try to enter your password. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you'll have to verify it and log into your account. But to give you an idea, this is how you can log into Gmail on multiple devices. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in our next video.